हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। मैं हूं अर्पिता शर्मा, आपकी एजुकेटर, और आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल। वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज अ प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल एंड अ गवर्नमेंट बिल, जिसको हम पब्लिक बिल भी बोलते हैं। तो पब्लिक बिल और प्राइवेट बिल के बीच का डिफरेंस समझेंगे, प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल कौन पास करता है, हाउ इट इज पास्ड, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। ऑल ऑफ दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन टुडेज लेक्चर। ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर टेकिंग शॉर्ट नोट्स ड्यूरिंग द लेक्चर। लेक्चर के दौरान ना शॉर्ट नोट्स लेते जाइएगा, ताकि आपको बाद में रिवीजन के टाइम पर इजी लगे। ठीक है, रिवीजन इजी हो जाती है अगर आप अपने शॉर्ट नोट्स लेते रहते हो। So the Telegram channel is simplifying UPSC with ease, where the class PDF will be uploaded. ये हमारा Telegram channel है जहाँ पर क्लास का जो PDF है वो हम अपलोड कर देंगे। यहाँ से आपको सारे अपडेट्स इस चैनल से मिल जाएंगे। You can download the Telegram app and then you can in the search option you can write the name of this channel and you will get to the channel. All right, so let's get started without any delay. शुरू करते हैं आज का लेक्चर प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल के ऊपर। Before we start this lecture, here is a small announcement for all of you. From 9th of December, there is going to be a price hike on Unacademy Plus courses. Annual price hike जो होता है वो 9th December को होने वाला है, तो उससे पहले आप अपना सब्सक्रिप्शन Unacademy Plus का ले सकते हैं, wherein you will also get free 3 months extension on your Unacademy Plus courses. From 8th December, we are starting new batches on Unacademy Plus for 2022 and 23 aspirants. And if you take a 1 year or above Unacademy Plus GS or combo subscription, you will get 20 books covering pre and main syllabus hard copy, which will be delivered to your house, and as per your language preference the language of the books will be decided. If you are an English medium student, you will get the books in English. Hindi medium students will get the books in Hindi, and you can use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your plus subscription. Make sure before 8 December you take your subscription so that you can start your preparation on time. The links are given below in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe today. When we talk about private member bill, why it has been in news? Because recently Rajya Sabha reserved its decision to allow the introduction of a private members bill. Why? To amend the preamble of the constitution. Now first let us understand, can the preamble be amended? क्या preamble जो होता है constitution का वो amend हो सकता है? See, as a part of the constitution, yes, preamble can be amended. ठीक है, preamble को आप amend कर सकते हो, and that is under article 368 of constitution. But there is a condition over here. Condition is that the basic structure of the constitution of the preamble cannot be amended. जो basic structure होता है हमारे preamble का, उसको amend नहीं किया जा सकता, as per the Kesavananda Bharti case. Now as of now, preamble is only amended once. अभी तक preamble को सिर्फ एक बार ही amend किया गया है, and that too in 1976. The amendment was 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. This amendment added 3 words in the preamble. Those 3 words were socialist, secular and integrity. ये 3 words इस amendment के through add किए गए थे. ठीक है? Now let us understand what is a private members bill. See, any member of parliament who is not a minister, not a minister means who is not a part of council of minister, is referred to as a private member. And the drafting of this private member bill is the responsibility of the member who is trying to pass this bill, who is trying to raise this bill. Its introduction in the house requires 1 month's prior notice, and it can only be introduced on Fridays. Fridays को ही discuss किया जा सकता है इस bill को, ठीक है? If in case there are multiple private members bill which are passed, जैसे for example right now 153 bills have been announced. In that case, a ballot system is used to decide the sequence of bills for introduction, कि किस sequence में कौन सा bill introduce किया जाएगा. All right? And if the bill is rejected by the house, then it will have no implication on the government's confidence. ऐसा नहीं है कि government हट जाएगी, गिर जाएगी अगर bill reject हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है? And once the discussion is concluded, then the member who has introduced the bill can either withdraw it on the request of the minister, or he may choose to press ahead with its passage in the house. All right, to make sure that the bill goes through the passage of lawmaking. Now there are government bills also. There is a private member bill. Now if a member is a minister of council of ministers, is a part of council of minister, the bills he introduces is known as public bills or government bills, and it can be discussed and introduced on any day. There is no restriction on the day. All right. Point clear हो गया यहाँ तक. Now when we talk about the history of private bills, last time a private member's bill was passed by both house was in 1970. Alright, it was the Supreme Court Enlargement of Criminal Appellate Jurisdiction Bill 1968 जिसको पास किया गया था दोनों हाउसेस, दोनों सदन के द्वारा, राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा. The purpose of private member bill का पर्पस क्या होता है? The purpose is to draw the attention of the government towards the issues and gaps in the existing legal framework. कोई ऐसा लेजिस्लेटिव फ्रेमवर्क या लीगल फ्रेमवर्क जिसमें लग रहा है कि कुछ गैप्स है या कोई करेक्शन हो सकती है, तो उस तरफ गवर्नमेंट का ध्यान लेकर आने के लिए प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. Okay, basically it reflects how the opposition is framing opinion on public matters. All right, let us understand the basic difference between the public bill and private bill. अब public bill और private bill के बीच में ना difference होता है. Public bill is introduced in parliament by a minister who is a part of council of ministers, and private bill is introduced by any MP who is not a minister. Public bill will reflect the policies of ruling party, and private bill will reflect the opinion of the opposition party on a public matter. Now public bill has a greater chance to be approved in the parliament, but private bill has a lesser chance to be approved by the parliament. And let's say if a public bill is rejected, what will happen? That means the government will lose confidence. Okay, it may lead to resignation of the minister also. And private bill, if it is rejected by the house, it will have no implication on parliamentary confidence. Okay, public bill, to introduce it, you require to give 7 days notice, and private bill requires 1 month prior notice to introduce it. All right, so this is the difference between public bill and private bill. तो ये था आपका आज का टॉपिक प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल. तो हमने एक संक्षेप में अच्छे से इस टॉपिक के बारे में पढ़ लिया है. आई होप यू ऑल्सो enjoyed दिस लेक्चर. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये लेक्चर अच्छा लगा है, आपने enjoy किया है. इफ यू रियली enjoyed this lecture, you understood it, let me know in the comment section also. Okay, on this note we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone for participating in the class, and also leave your feedback in the comment section.